Today we're going to be demonstrating how to convert the mechanical controller on a P1 PD series pump. We'll be working with the latest B-mod version of the control, which has been updated and improved versus the previous A-mod controls. These latest controls have the ability to be quickly and easily modified to fit your customer's application, and they're no longer rotation dependent like the previous A-mod version. To complete these conversions, you'll need only a few items. You're going to need obviously the base control. You're going to need the service manual, which is located online. You're going to need the corresponding conversion kits. And you're going to need SAE wrenches, SAE Hex Keys, and torque wrench. Now I'm going to be showing you how to take the CO standard pressure compensator and convert it to an L0 or an L2. The L0, L2s are load sense compensators. The only difference between the L0 and the L2 is that the plug between the differential stage and the pressure compensator stage is removed and replaced with an orifice in the L2 control. Now, to do this kit, you're going to need two different kits. You're going to need the S2E 20463-5K kit and the S2E 20466-5K kit. In each of these kits, there's a few different items. You're going to have your mechanical items, and then you are also going to have your control conversion instructions. So all the different conversions instructions are in the kits. You're just going to find the kit that you're going to find the instructions that correspond to the conversion you're doing. So in this instance, we're doing a CO to an LO. So I'll set that set of instructions aside and put the other instructions away. So I'll go ahead and get the other instructions out from this other kit and set it aside as well. So on the left side, we're looking at all the different items that need to be removed. So I need to remove the plug and the vent port. I'll need to remove the plug in the differential stage, and this is a 5/16 Allen head to remove that plug. This is a 3/16 to remove that plug. Then on the other side of the controller, in this port here, you're going to use a 2mm Allen to remove this plug. It's pretty far in there. Once it's loose, the plug is removed. So we've removed all the items we need to remove. Now we're going to be looking at what we need to add. So we need to add all the differential stage. Here. So here we have the differential pressure adjustment stage. So this is the pressure adjustment for the differential. Set that there. That goes into the adjustment assembly like so. I'll set that aside. And we have our spool. And this also has a couple of other components in it. It's got it has a plug and an orifice. Actually, it has two orifices. If we were doing the L2 version instead of the LO, we would take the larger of the two orifices with a 3mm Allen and remove the plug between the two stages. So remove this plug here and replace it with this orifice. So we just run that orifice right down into the same place as we just took the plug from. But since we're doing an LO, L0, we are just going to keep that plug in the body. Down in there and tighten to the proper spec in the service catalog. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take differential spool and insert it into the body of the compensator with the flat end first, so the rounded end is pointed up. It should just fall right down in with very little effort. So with that in place, we're going to take our differential pressure adjustment with the spool seat, hold it vertically. Whoop. Don't do that. Hold it vertically, there, and insert it into the body of the control so nothing moves out of position. Tighten that down, proper torque spec, and now you're ready to mount the unit onto your pump and set your pressures. So with the correct kit, a little time, it's easy to convert any of the P1, PD, B-mod controls to any one of the other available options. This flexibility adds to the pump ability to meet your customer's demand quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching.